Hey, welcome back everybody, and welcome to the Monday Wipe Down episode 1. In this video, I want to show you how to clean your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on the outside and on the inside. Let's get started. First off, of course, take your case off. And if you got like a really dirty situation going on, like with sand and dirt and all that, run this case underwater, get in the bathtub. I would show you all how to do it, but I don't feel like getting in the tub because my cat loves jumping in the tub when the water's running. I know, I got one of those cats that's not afraid of water. But anyway, so what you'd want to do is you'd want to wash this thing on the inside really well, and then get like a towel, dry it off on the inside, get all the water out. Next, you might even have to do that with your phone. Just run a little bit of water, not much, just a little bit of water on your phone. Even if you were to hit it with a flood, it'd be fine, right? It's the monsoon season here in Arizona, and I'm getting drenched, so it's nothing's happening. But anyway, run a little bit of water on it on this side over here like that. Then what you want to do, also, say it's not that dirty, say it's not that bad, you just got some smudges on it like I do right now. Get like a wet cloth, just like this. Get it down, do a little wipe down like that. Oops, getting the guitar all caught up in all this. Then you get another dry towel, wipe it down. This is real important, right? The reason I'm making this video is I'm always helping people with their phones, and then they hand me like a dirty phone, and I'm like, what the heck? Anyway, next, what you want to do after you do that, I recommend you get like a really good high quality cleaning towel, like the kind that you use for your glasses, right? Get everything off there. Get all the stuff off there. Now I know it's gonna smudge up again. It's just nice to get your phone looking nice, right? Then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna come over here and put the case back on it. All right, now I want to show you guys how to do the inside of the phone. And what I mean by that is this. We're gonna come over here, we're gonna go down to settings. You're gonna scroll all the way down to device care. You're gonna tap on device care, and it's checking, it's good, right? But we're gonna go ahead, well, first off, we're gonna look at the performance, see what's going on. So it's not showing any issues, right? But we're still gonna tap on, we're gonna optimize this phone. We're gonna optimize what's going on here. We got it all optimized, right? So done, we're good to go, optimized. Now what we wanna do is we wanna tap on battery, and we're gonna see what's going on here. Background usage limits, power saving. You know, every once in a while, it's really good to go over these settings to make sure you have everything where you want it. I'm not using power saving because I'm not worried about saving power. Battery protection, I'm not worried about that either. Now, background usage limits, I am concerned about this. So what I do is I have some apps that are deep sleeping and automatically added. You see these right here that are deep sleeping. These are my deep sleeping apps right here. All right, we're going to come over here. Now we got some sleeping apps. We're going to come over here to the sleeping apps. And these are never automatic sleeping, right? These are not sleeping. So you got your sleeping apps over here. I only got that one right there, All Trails. I don't need that thing doing anything. And the deep sleeping apps. You guys see what I got going on there. So whatever apps that you want to put into deep sleep, that's what you do. And the final thing that we can do, just to make sure you keep your phone running right, do this once a week. Go ahead and restart your phone. And that's what I'm going to do now, because we're over here doing the Monday Wipe Down, where we clean our phones on the inside and out. All right, everybody, here I go. And we're going to restart this phone right here. All right. Thank all of you for watching. And remember, we're doing this once a week on Monday, the Monday Wipe Down. All right, everybody. If you guys have any special questions, hit me up in the comments, and I will catch all of you in the next one. Take care.